guys, welcome back to another episode of Wildly Graceful. Today I'm in the bathroom because I've had a ton of questions and comments regarding our toilet paper holder. So I thought I'd give you a better look at this product. Come on in. To start with, it's a 5-pound PVC made product. You have to self-assemble it. It was actually really easy. I think maybe it took me 5 minutes. The nice thing about it is it's just a drop-in toilet paper holder. There's no bar for anyone to attach it to, because I don't know if your family's like mine, but no one knows how to replace a roll of toilet paper. I'm hoping this drop-in design makes it slightly easier. I did Velcro it to the walls and to the floor with command Velcro strips. I did add a command hook on the side here with a ponytail holder so we can secure it on our trips so that it won't fall open, because there's nothing to keep this door closed. And inside it holds more toilet paper. Down here I put feminine products and some of our black tank cleaner, so it's quick access when we're tidying up the trailer at the end of a long camping trip. The whole thing probably took me 5 minutes for assembly and maybe 10 more minutes to attach into the trailer. So for about $35 on Amazon, you got yourself a nice toilet paper holder that actually has function, not just style. Our link will be in this video. Just tap the arrow pointing down, and below you'll see the link to the toilet paper holder. Have a good night. Talk to y'all later. Come back for more. Subscribe.